Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Hyundai Veloster. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.